www.tax2290.com. Easier 2290, HVUT tax e-filing. Powered by taxexcise.com. Electronic filing is faster, and fastest way to report and pay federal vehicle use tax returns. Getting started with 2290 e-file is easy. New to e-file, just create a new account for free. If you're a returning user, log in from here. Electronic filing will get you the IRS stamped Schedule 1, in just minutes, once your 2290 return is accepted. Registration page. To create a new account, just complete the registration form. The green tick mark notify you did exactly as it is required. Make sure you use an active email, and a valid phone number, to receive all our communications on time. We do support paid preparers to e-file 2290 returns. Paid preparers need to have a valid PTIN to start with. It is always interesting to know how you found us. Submit this form to create a new user account. Successfully created your own user account. If you're not the signing authority, you may enter a direct phone number, email to reach you directly to keep you updated on your return status. Business information page. Complete your business information, legal business name and tax ID or employer identification number. Business type, address, phone numbers. You could enter multiple phone numbers not to miss out anything important. Signing authority is the legal owner or person who would be representing your business and signing on the forms. You may authorize a third person as your legal representative, by completing the third-party designee. It is mandate to take your consent by the IRS before sharing your tax data across the federal bodies. Enter a 5-digit PIN. To register your consent. Quick help window. You could see a question mark at the corner on all the pages, you may use that to read what it actually mean. Quick help guide you to enter the values right. Dashboard. This is your dashboard, where you find your excise tax forms, tax returns, Schedule 1 copies and more. Start here with a new tax return. Click Start New Tax Return to initiate a new tax return. Choose the right business. Select the tax form that you're about to report. Choose the tax year or tax period for which you report tax. The first month the vehicle is used on a public highway. If you're out of business, and you might not be filing any further tax returns, you can check Final Return to keep the IRS informed. If in case your business address changed from your previously reported return, you could keep the IRS informed. Choose a third-party designee if required, and the consent to disclose tax data. Reporting a vehicle. Select the type of return you're about to report. Report a tax return to pay 2290 tax on a heavy vehicle. Report a vehicle as suspended, or exempt from tax, as it is operated well within the allowable mileage use limit. You may also add a credit vehicle. To claim refunds on sold vehicles and low mileage vehicles. You may also report prior year suspended vehicles that turned as a taxable vehicle. Adding vehicle identification number. Add vehicle, by entering the vehicle identification number. The taxable gross weight of the vehicle. Check if it is a logging vehicle, used for logging purpose only. Save to add more. You might use bulk vehicle upload, to add large fleet of vehicles from an Excel spreadsheet. You could also import vehicle data, from previously reported tax return. The estimated tax is calculated automatically, and showed up in the table for quick reference. You may add your credit vehicles to a tax return, and adjust it against the tax liabilities. If you're making only the claim, then you need to use IRS Refund Claim Form 8849. For sold or traded vehicles, you need to fill in the right date and to whom the vehicle was sold. The total tax liabilities are adjusted against the refund claims accordingly. Reporting a tax return. Now you may choose how you want to report this tax return. Electronic filing is fast, and highly recommended. Paper return may take 3 to 4 weeks to receive back your IRS stamped Schedule 1 proof. However, by e-filing you could receive a copy in just minutes. Tax payment options. The IRS payment can be made with any of the available options. Direct debit or electronic funds withdrawal is the easiest way. IRS would directly debit the tax amount from your bank account. For EFTPS, pre-enrollment is required, and takes up to 2 weeks to get a new enrollment. If you opt for credit or debit card, then you need to make the payment in another website, which is authorized by the IRS for receiving the payments. Still, you can use check or money order. You need to attach 2290 payment voucher. Summary page will get you the consolidated data from the return for validating. A nominal fee is charged to electronically file. Pay this fee using your credit or debit card. You can either pay for a return as you e-file, or pick a seasonal package for multiple filings throughout the tax period, July to June. Subscribe for instant text alert to keep you informed on your return status. Fax copies can receive your IRS stamped Schedule 1 proof, faxed across once it is received from the IRS. Checkout page. If you have a valid promo code, use it to get instant discount on your e-filing charges. Pay from your credit or debit card. You have the option of saving it here for later use. Make a payment and continue. Print your invoice copy for record keeping. Now you're perfect to submit your tax return for processing with the IRS. Your completed tax return copy in PDF is available for download. This PDF copy is just for record keeping and not for filing. Hit on the Transmit button to electronically file your tax return. Enter a 5-digit PIN to electronically sign your tax return. Hope you enjoyed using Tax2290 to e-file your 2290 heavy highway vehicle use tax return. You may use Tax2290 to e-file Form 720, quarterly federal excise tax returns, and Form 8849 claim for refund of excise taxes. For any questions, talk to our help desk at 866-245-3918. Or write to us at support@taxexcise.com. Safe and happy trucking. Thank you.